Welcome to my Unity environment. Today I'll be introducing you to Bad Bone Boys City, the premier location for the baddest boys down to the bone. As you can see right away, we got floors, we got walls, ceilings too, and you can bet your bony ass that when these bony boys come on into town, they for sure about to raise the roof. Now if you take a look over here, we got stairs as well. You can go upstairs, downstairs, left stairs, and right stairs. In Bad Bone Boys City, there ain't no rules. And hey, check out that barrel over there. You know what's in it? Bone juice. You can move that barrel all you want, but when these bony boys party, they party hard, so you'll be moving in an empty barrel. Hey, check out this forklift. None of these bony boys are forklift certified though, so all they can do is push it around. Here's a nice texture to cheer you up. Hey, this chicken is pretty cool too. Now check out this big bad bony mother effer. He's the baddest of them all. His name, Bonathy. And what Bone City would be complete without a Soviet-era dilapidated convenience store? Yeah! We keep a floating revolver object peeking out the window just in case some of these cowboy skeletons feel like rooted and tootin'. Now that's one badass mother effer skeleton. And don't forget, barrels and boxes in case you want to move or barricade. How cool is that? Maybe even stack them up to get up to the store where we keep a giant pistol magazine for a giant pistol. And also regular sized guns for regular sized dudes. And check out this room. The doorway is a bit too small so Bonathy can't get in, but the regular and wide boys sure as hell can make their way in. And now I take you to the Flaming Bone Boy Bridge. Check out what kind of crazy chases can go along here with the NPCs, huh? And even though we don't use guns, they can move. How cool is that? Just watching these bad bony boys move around these guns. They look cool as hell, but they sure as hell don't fire them. And hey, look at that tunnel. It's too small for the wide boys and too tiny for Bonathy to get through. But the regular sized lads, they can have a ball. They'll have some real fun there. And that concludes our tour of Bad Bone Boy City. Hopefully I'll see you around. Hopefully catch you grinding on some mean ass bone. Signing out.